Hello everyone, welcome back to Happy Tools channel. Today, we'll introduce a tool that helps you extract all the friends from any Facebook profile. As you can see, this is the interface of the software. Here, please select the profile scanning function. Then choose Scan Friends. Insert the Facebook account UID you wish to scan into this field. For example, I will copy this Facebook account UID and perform a friends scan on that account. Then just paste that account's UID into the software. Next, enter the number of friends you want to scan from that Facebook account. For example, if I want to scan 1,000 friends from this account, I'll enter 1,000 into the tool. After completing the setup, simply select one Facebook account to perform the scan and click Start. The software will automatically extract all 1,000 friends from that Facebook account. Let's take a look at how our software works. The software has finished scanning. Now, click Export Data to save the data file to my computer, and then I'll open it so you can take a look. As you can see, the software has extracted data including each account's UID, Facebook username, and profile link. That's the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to get updates on my latest videos. For now, goodbye, and see you in the next one.